Hi everyone. Today you'll learn how to draw the structure of the human eye neatly and accurately. This diagram is ideal for CBSE, NCERT, and science students from middle to high school. This simple and clear tutorial will help you understand and remember the different parts of the eye. So, grab your pencil and paper. Let's draw together. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.